Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization. Let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll down to find the display. Now let's scroll down again and localize reading mode, because basically this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So let's tap on it and first of all let's turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. As you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. We've got two different modes, so the classic and the paper. Basically the only difference between them is the background. In classic it is smooth, just a regular background, and in the paper one we've got the paper-like texture. Of course I'll show you both. Let's start with the classic. So let's simply tap on this arrow, and as you can see here we can change the color temperature. We've got the preview so we can see how it will affect the colors. By going to the left we can make it much cooler, so it is almost invisible. And by going to the right, much warmer. It's almost orangish, I would say. So of course it's up to you which temperature you'd like to set. Let's go back, and the paper one. So let's tap on it in order to apply it. I'm not really sure if you can really see the difference, but trust me, in real life you can see the paper-like texture applied to the background. So let's enter the settings again, just by tapping on this arrow. Again, we can change the color temperature, on the left cooler, on the right warmer, and we can also change the texture. Maybe if I will go to the cooler section, cooler side of the colors, you will be able to see the texture. By going to the left we can smooth it out, and by going to the right we can make it much sharper, and it is more visible. And I'm not really sure if you can see it on the video. Here you can also change the colors, which is also a quite cool option, because we've got full colors, which are right here, which are presented here. We've got also light colors, and as you can see they are a little bit dull and washed out, and we've got also black and white, so everything will be displayed in monochromatic manner. We can restore defaults if you want to. And basically this is the customization of this mode, I mean the look of this mode, because we can customize it also here, so we can schedule that feature. We can either custom the period, choose the start and the end time, or set the good night's read, and your device will basically decide when the sunset and sunrises are. It is location based, so it's basically up to you. If you will turn it off completely, you will use the manual mode, so you have to manually turn it on and off. So that was the customization of the reading mode, and now let me show you much faster access to it. So let's unroll the top bar. We have to find a proper icon right here. So let me find it. Here we've got the reading mode, so let's simply tap on it to turn it on. You can see that the screen turned into this yellowish side, and we can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.